Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video and another review. So today we are going to unbox and review a gaming headset that promises exceptional performance and comfort. This time we have the UG-08S wireless gaming headset, a versatile device packed with advanced features like 7.1 surround sound, 100-hour battery life, and a retractable ENC microphone for crystal clear communication. So with no further ado, let's jump right in. The unboxing process for this headset was super straightforward and satisfying. Therefore, we are going to fast forward and go straight to the important details. One of the key highlights of the UG-08S is its 7.1 surround sound, delivering a precise and immersive audio experience. So whether you are playing competitive games or watching movies, the headset provides accurate sound positioning to keep you fully engaged and ahead of the action. With an impressive 100-hour battery life, the UG-08S ensures you will never be interrupted during long gaming sessions or binge watching. This extended playtime makes it an ideal choice for those who hate frequent recharging. Communication is key, and the UG-08S delivers with its ENC, which refers to environmental noise cancelling, microphone. The retractable design allows for easy storage when not in use, while the noise-canceling technology ensures your voice comes through clearly, minimizing background noise. Long gaming sessions demand a comfortable headset, and the UG-08S delivers with fabric memory foam earmuffs that provides a skin-friendly fit. The ergonomic design reduces pressure, ensuring all-day comfort without fatigue. Adding a touch of style, the UG-08S features RGB lighting. Whether you want to match your gaming setup or showcase your personal style, the lighting options makes this headset as stylish as it is functional. This headset also uses 2.4 GHz wireless technology and Bluetooth 5.3. offering stable connection with ultra-low latency of less than 5 ms. This ensures smooth and lag-free audio whether you are gaming or streaming. The headset is compatible with multiple devices including PS5, PS4, and PC, and also smartphones, making it highly versatile. It also comes equipped with a volume wheel, mic mute button, and 3.5mm audio port for wired connectivity. These thoughtful additions enhances convenience and functionality, allowing for easy adjustments during use. The UG-08S boasts a lightweight yet durable build, perfect for daily use and travel. Its compact design ensures it's easy to carry and store without compromising performance. It combines cutting-edge technology with comfort and convenience. So whether you are a gamer, a movie enthusiast, or just somebody who enjoys high-quality audio and want to get their next affordable gaming headset, this is definitely something for everyone to consider. I will include a link in the description for more details so you can check it out for yourself. And if you have any questions or thoughts about this headset, feel free to share them in the comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any upcoming videos. See you in the next one. Peace.